Hi guys, it's Vlogmas Day 2 and today we are making this very delicious palm nut soup with assorted meat. So let's get right into it. In my saucepan I have some goat meat, tripe, pomo or willy and some crabs. I'm going to season them and then bring it to a simmer or steam if you like. So I'm going in with some blended onions, ginger, garlic, and pepper. At this point, I remembered that I had forgotten one piece of protein, so I had to go and bring it out. That was some smoked turkey. I had it in the oven, so I nearly forgot about it. Smoking it is optional, but it certainly adds to the flavor of the turkey and the soup itself. Okay, here I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning, local mixed spices, and salt to taste. And then I'll go in with the juice from smoking my turkey in the oven. Okay, and then I add some water, cover and allow to steam till all the meat is tender. In my previous video where I shared the yam and plantain fufu, I promised to share this palm nut soup recipe, so here it is. If you're new here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please consider joining this amazing family by subscribing. So in this bowl, I have already pounded palm nuts, which were cooked previously, of course, with some turkey berries, and then I added some hot water. Once it's cooled down a bit so that my hand or my fingers can tolerate the temperature, I go in to sort of extract, not sort of, but extract the juice and then separate the chaff from the juice as well. And then I'll go ahead and strain 2 or 3 times depending on the chaff I find at the bottom, and then that's going to be my palm soup base. Okay, you can buy yourself the palm cream that's on the market and use it, but I had this at home and I wanted the authentic palm nut soup flavor, so that's why I went in for that. Okay, let me take this pause to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. I would not have made this journey without you guys. I'm truly grateful for you. So once I have the palm soup base, I'm going to go ahead and check on my protein. They're all doing well. So the last strain of my palm juice goes into my soup, okay? And I'll make sure not to strain the entire bowl of juice into it because most of the time there's some residue at the bottom of the bowl once you've left the palm juice or palm, I don't know, base to sit for a while. So bear in mind that so that you don't strain it into the soup. I'll give the soup a quick mix and then add in a tomato and onion, which I'm going to allow to cook for a while or soften for a bit, and then blend and add it back into my soup. So usually at this point, I'll roast some Aden fruit or prekese and then drop it in. But when I shot this video, I was pregnant, and pregnancy and prekese or Aden fruit don't go hand in hand. So I had to omit it, but certainly do add it into your palm nut soup for more flavor. Another gentle reminder that I've been monetized now, so please, whenever you watch my videos, don't forget to watch the ads or adverts that are placed on the video, okay? Also, whenever you watch my video, please watch till the end. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share once you're done watching. And let's keep this amazing blooming family growing. So now that my blended tomatoes and onion have gone in, I'm going to stir and then allow the soup to finish cooking. So give it about 20 minutes and your soup is good to go. But before I forget, I added some smoked fish as well. So this smoked mackerel, I have a recipe for that on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description box. Do check it out and make some at home for yourself. Like I said previously, I enjoyed this palm nut soup with my yam and plantain fufu. So please be sure to try it for yourself and family this festive season and thank me later. And until I see you again in another video, please do not forget to keep blooming.